In this video, I'll show you how to add Stripe Checkout to a Squarespace site. First, sign into your Stripe account and open the Stripe dashboard. Then, create the product or payment setup you want customers to use with Stripe Checkout. Next, create your checkout integration. Depending on your setup, you'll need a Stripe Checkout link or a checkout page generated through Stripe. Copy the checkout link when it's ready. After that, sign into Squarespace and open the website you want to edit. Go to Pages and open the page where you want customers to start the payment process. Now click Edit and add a button block. Enter text such as Buy Now or Checkout, then add your Stripe Checkout link to the button's URL field. Next, save your changes and preview the page. Click the button and make sure it opens the correct Stripe Checkout page. Test the checkout process before sharing the page with customers. Finally, publish your Squarespace site. Customers can now click your payment button and complete their purchase through Stripe Checkout. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add Stripe Checkout to a Squarespace site. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.